right, this is the day that I decided to shoot a bird over Parker for the first time. I've, of course, been shooting the blank gun over him for a couple of weeks around pigeons and flying pigeons and pointing pigeons and stuff. So I've already introduced the gun, but today I'm going to shoot one. I've already shot one over Gunner. I gave him the first bird of the day, but this is Parker's first bird, and I'm just going to shoot the 22 blank gun.
Good boy, Parker. Good boy. Woohoo!
All right, Parker's first bird for today went well. I shot the 22 blank gun over him. He's never shown any kind of aversion to the gun. So I've loaded up a new bird in the launcher, and I'm going to shoot it over him, and this is how it goes.
All right. Oh, Parker. Good boy, Parker. Woohoo!
All right, that went well enough, except for maybe my shooting, but I did miss the truck. And he showed some enthusiasm here. As you'll see, he's going to take the bird and run for the hills, which is okay. I'll work on that, and he'll be force fetched.
Come on, buddy. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Okay, this is the third bird of the day for Parker, and I just dizzy it and hide it in the bush, and I make a mistake and forget to pick up the launcher from the previous bird, which turns out to be okay because it just will kind of start him down the road to learning old scent from fresh scent and scent from an actual bird.
He's smelling the launcher. Parker, over here. Come on. Come on. Bird in here.
Also on this bird, I decided to run Parker without a check cord, and went great. Everything was great right up until the point I shot the bird, and I quickly realized how hard it is to catch a 4.5-month-old Brittany after he's got a dead bird in his mouth.
Attaboy, Parker. Woohoo! Come on, buddy. Well, he's not gunshot. Woohoo! Parker!
Okay, this is the fourth bird of the day. I've dizzied it and hidden it out there again in a bush, and he's going to end up pointing it, It's going to flush, and I'm going to miss it, and it's going to fly underneath my truck, and then I'm going to kick it out and rework the same bird.
Whoa, Parker. Good boy.
After watching the videos, it sure looks like to me he gets more and more confident with every bird.
Look at that. Yeah. Jumped him. Parker!
Okay, so I got the bird to fly out from underneath my truck, and it's flown out into the field about 150 yards away. I'm really happy to see Parker kind of venturing out. I think at one point he probably gets maybe a couple hundred yards away from me, and eventually I get him to come in. His recall's not great now, and he works the bird, and I kill it.
Attaboy, Parker. See if you can find this. Holy shit. He got him, I think. There he is. Holy shit. He's standing there. Holy shit. There's the bird. Good boy, Parker. Woohoo! Parker, come. Parker, come. 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 Come, Parker. Oh, he's going the wrong way.
Okay, so here's the next to the last bird. He's doing pretty well. I'm happy. I've shot the gun over him several times, kind of right over the top of him. He hasn't flinched any at all and just keeps chasing. So here we go. He gets on another one, and I'm going to miss with the first shot and finally hit it with the second. and I get almost so close to stepping on the check cord before he takes off.
Whoa, Parker. Whoa. That bird's not hit at all. Now it is. Better hurry. No, Parker. God dang it.
Okay, this is the last bird of the day, and he does really well here. He even gets to hunt dead because he doesn't see the bird fall. So all in all, good day for first time shooting birds over Parker.
Is it in there? Yeah. Over here. Parker. Over here, Parker. Come on. Dead bird. Dead. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Fetch, Parker. Fetch. Come. Come. Good boy. Come. Come. Atta boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Get a belly rub. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Good boy. Good boy. I know. You want to play fetch? Fetch. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Come. Good boy. That a boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey. Fetch. That a boy, Parker. Come. 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 That a boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay, this is the first quail that I launched for Parker that I just shot the 22 blank gun over Parker with, and the bird just kind of flew out into this plowed up field that had some old burnout sagebrush in it. I just got Gunner out of the truck. This is probably 20 minutes after we launched that bird, and in between birds for Parker, I just let Gunner have some fun, and I shot this quail over him.
All right. All right. All right. Damn, how far you got him? Whoa. All right. Gosh dang. They go down in the hole. All right. Got her. Whoa. Whoa. Good boy, Gunner. Fetch. Atta boy. Atta boy. Get you ready for Quilsey. Hold. Give. Give. Good boy. Good boy. I think he gets it from really long ways away. Look at him. Bird's up there about 15, 20 feet. Whoa, Parker. Whoa. That bird's not hit at all. Now it is. Better hurry. No, Parker. God dang it.